Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by wiring client code into your MVC app. Include libraries in layout. CSHTML so they load on every page. Once done, add a dedicated script/site, JS, and reference it with URL, content, or tag helpers to avoid cache issues. Make sure libraries, like jQuery, load before your scripts. That order prevents runtime errors. Also enable unobtrusive AJAX if using Microsoft AJAX helpers. This keeps behavior tidy and separates concerns between view markup and JavaScript logic. You now attach behavior, wrap handlers in document. Ready or DOM content loaded so elements exist when code runs. When sending data to controllers, choose fetch or $. AJAX, include the anti-forgery token header to validate requests server-side. Once the response arrives, either inject returned partial HTML into a target element or parse JSON and render it with templates. This keeps UI updates smooth. Also debounce frequent events like input to reduce requests. This improves performance and avoids server overload. Finish by bundling and minifying scripts for production and use ASP.append version to bust caches. This reduces load times. Test flows end-to-end, watching the console and network tab for status codes and JSON shapes. If something breaks, first verify script load order and confirm anti-forgery tokens are sent. Then inspect model binding on the controller, mismatched names, or missing properties cause silent failures. One troubleshooting tip: reproduce the AJAX request with curl or postman to isolate server versus client issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.